Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have the new GoPro 12 for unboxing as well as some accessories to go with, which is a protective case as well as an adventure kit. So we'll come back to it in a while. So let's get the new GoPro unboxed. So here is the box. And on this side we have all the contents, all that is available in this box, and the apps and the features. Now let's get it opened. So this time we have a different sort of a case, whereas in the previous models we used to get a complete compact case, and you'll have to install Quick App and connect your camera to use it. And let's get the contents out. So there's a USB-C cable, and there's a mount, a mounting clip, and a thumb screw. So the corners you have this a splash of blue. This is a new design for the new model, which looks quite nice. So this is the power and the mode button, and below is the drain for the microphone, which is not supposed to be open. And this is the shutter button, which is for recording videos and photographs. And this door is where you insert your SD card, battery, and as well as the charging. the charging spot, and the battery goes in, the Enduro battery. The language setting, and also we have the voice control, and the battery is down, so we'll have to charge it before using and updating setting up. And below is where you mount. So using the thumb screw, we shall set it up so you can balance it as how you want it. Coming back to the accessories, we have the protective case, which is when you go way too deep underwater, it protects your camera. So we have the mounting clip again, the thumb screw, an instruction, and the front screen. And the whole case. Now this is the adventure kit. It comes along with a compact case. With the setting for the head strap. This is the head strap. And the handle. As well as a thumb screw. So the head strap is quite useful while you cycle and so. So just fix your camera in front and then just fix it on your head. So you have the belts to adjust. Alright, so thank you guys for watching.